Are you looking for the top 5 best car component speakers for superior sound? Struggling with mediocre sound in your car? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Pile Two-Way Custom Component Speakers. First up, we have the Pile Two-Way Custom Component Speaker System. Priced at just $47.99, it's hard to ignore this budget-friendly option. If you want a solid upgrade for your car audio without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this Pile speaker system might be just what you need. It features 6.5-inch mid-bass woofers that are designed to deliver rich sound while keeping distortion to a minimum. The 400 watts maximum output power means you can crank up the volume without worrying about losing clarity. Plus, the butyl rubber surround ensures durability, so these speakers can withstand the bumps of the road. The high-temperature ASV voice coil is a standout feature, ensuring low distortion and an open soundstage, which is key for a truly immersive listening experience. With a frequency response of 90 Hz to 20 kHz, you're covered for a broad range of musical genres. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're blasting your favorite rock anthems or cruising with smooth jazz, these speakers promise to elevate your sound. However, there are some complaints from users about the setup process being a bit tricky. Now, some people complained about the wiring kit being inadequate. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to take your time during installation, the results are well worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable upgrade that doesn't sacrifice sound quality. Skip this one if you want a high-end system with complex features. For the price, you really can't go wrong.
Product number 2. JBL GTO 609C speakers. Next up is the JBL GTO 609C, priced at $139.95. The premium feel of these speakers really grabbed my attention. If you want serious bass and clarity from your car audio, this one deserves a look. The standout feature here is JBL's patented +1 woofer cone technology. This means you get a larger cone area compared to similar size speakers, which translates to more air movement and deeper bass. The soft dome tweeters are another big plus. They handle heat better and give you smooth, fatigue-free highs that make your music sound vibrant. With a frequency response reaching up to 21 kHz, these speakers are designed to capture the detail in your favorite tracks. Plus, the dual-level tweeter volume adjustment is a clever touch, letting you customize your sound based on where the speakers are installed. This is particularly useful for those of you who might not have perfect speaker placement in your ride. On the downside, some users pointed out that they felt the sound could lack a bit of punch at higher volumes. Now, I'll be real with you, this might be a deal breaker if you're an audiophile who listens at full blast. But for most casual listeners, it still provides an impressive audio experience. This is perfect for you if you want an upgrade that brings out the best in your car's audio system without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you're expecting a thumping bass experience at all volume levels. For the quality you get, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better.
Product number 3, Orion Cobalt Series CB65C. Coming in at $89.95, the Orion Cobalt Series CB65C is a fantastic choice. The first impression of these speakers is their powerful performance, which really caught my eye. If you're looking for rich audio quality at a reasonable price, this one's worth checking out. This two-way speaker system delivers up to 280 watts of peak power, giving you a serious audio boost. With a frequency response of 70 Hz to 20 kHz, you'll hear both the deep bass and the crisp highs, ensuring a balanced sound profile. The dedicated woofer and tweeter setup means you'll get a well-rounded audio experience, whether you're enjoying hip-hop beats or classical music. The installation is also made easy with clearly marked connections, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts. Plus, the butyl rubber surround and polypropylene cone contribute to a durable and distortion-free listening experience. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You'll enjoy clean sound without the hassle of complicated setups. However, I did notice some users wished for even more bass response from these speakers. Now, some people complained about the bass not being as punchy as expected. Here's the thing, if you're not a bass head, you'll likely find these speakers do just fine. This is perfect for you if you want an easy install with great sound. Skip this one if you're an extreme bass lover looking for earth-shaking lows. In terms of value, these speakers hit the sweet spot. Now, if product number 4, Alpine S2 S65C speakers. Next, we have the Alpine S2 S65C, priced at $133. This set really impressed me with its high-res audio certification. If you are after outstanding sound quality, you should definitely consider these speakers. These Alpine speakers can reproduce frequencies up to 40 kilohertz, which is impressive for a system at this price point. This means you can expect natural sound reproduction that makes your favorite songs come alive. The AMHR surround technology allows for maximum cone movement, ensuring powerful bass notes that don't sacrifice clarity. So if you love bass-heavy songs, these speakers have got you covered. With a maximum output power of 240 watts, the S2 S65C is capable of delivering dynamic audio performance. Plus, the lightweight construction helps reduce distortion, which is crucial for a clear listening experience. Here's why this matters. Whether you're indulging in your favorite playlists or podcasts, these speakers will provide an immersive audio experience. However, one downside is that the protective grills are sold separately. Now, some users expressed concern over needing to buy additional accessories. Here's the thing, if you're careful with your gear, this shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality audio system with great bass response. Skip this one if you prefer a complete out-of-the-box solution. For the sound quality, the investment is worth it. Now, if the Alpine's additional purchases concern you, the last one on my list might be the more straightforward option.
Product number 5, Pioneer A-Series Max TSA 653CH. Finally, we have the Pioneer A-Series Max TSA 653CH, priced at $149.99. The crisp highs and clear vocals really caught my attention with these speakers. If you're looking for an ideal factory upgrade, don't miss this one. These two-way speakers deliver a maximum power handling of 370 watts, giving you robust sound across various frequencies. With a frequency response range from 33 Hz to 58 kHz, you can experience a wide spectrum of audio, ensuring clarity and depth. The sensitivity rating of 91 decibels means you can crank up the volume and still enjoy clear sound without distortion. What I love about these speakers is the easy installation process. They come with multi-fit installation adapters, making it easy to fit into your existing setup. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You'll save time and effort while still enjoying great sound. On the downside, some users found the mid-range a bit locking compared to other frequencies. Now, some people complained about the lack of mid-range punch. Here's the thing, if you primarily listen to music with strong highs and lows, this won't be a major drawback. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward.
So, to quickly compare all 5 options, the Pile speakers offer great value. The JBL brings solid bass. The Orion excels in ease of installation. The Alpine impresses with high-resolution audio, and the Pioneer delivers a straightforward upgrade. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the JBL GTO 609C because it strikes a fantastic balance of performance and price. I'd recommend avoiding the Pile if you're not keen on a tricky installation.